iQ4 gives you the ability to customize all your RGB lighting effects and control the cooling on your Corsair Liquid CPU cooler for better system performance. On your iQ4 home screen, mouse over the tile for your connected Corsair Liquid CPU cooler and click on Lighting Effects. Then at the bottom left, click the Add button to create a new lighting layer. In the Lighting Type window, select Predefined, Custom, or Lighting Link for the desired effects. Lighting Link will automatically apply the same effect to all connected iQ-compatible devices. Most of the effects will allow you to further configure the lighting with options for speed, color, and direction of the lighting effect. Lighting effects are applied to different LED zones on your cooler. You can select multiple individual zones by holding down the Control key. You can layer multiple lighting effects or apply them to different zones on the same device for more creative and advanced combinations. If you want to change the lighting behavior of your cooler for situations where your system is in sleep mode or you don't have iQ running, go to the Hardware Lightings tab and select the lighting type. If you'd like your cooler's LEDs to turn off when your system is in sleep mode, select Static Color and set the RGB values to 0. In the Cooling tab, you can select from multiple preset fan curves by choosing Quiet, Balanced, Extreme, 0 RPM, or create your own by clicking the Add button to begin creating a custom cooling preset. Once you've decided on a preset or created a custom curve, select from the drop-down menu on each fan and/or pump to apply to that component. The Alerts tab is where you can set notifications and trigger automated actions when a specified temperature is reached by a component in your PC like your CPU or the coolant in your cooler. You can make iQ set all fans to 100% if things get too hot, flash RGB lights on your connected devices for visual awareness, run a file, or trigger an emergency shutdown in a worst-case scenario. Multiple alerts can be created by simply clicking the Add button if you like to trigger different events for different components and temperatures. Lastly, go to Device Settings if you want to check for new firmware updates or adjust the global brightness of your cooler's LEDs. And that's how you set up a Corsair Liquid CPU cooler in iQ4. Be sure to check out our channel, Corsair Lab, for more guides and tutorials. To learn more about iQ, check out corsair.com/iQ. Thanks for watching.